Hey everybody, as promised, I told you that we would do the follow-up for the project that you took, the class that you just took at the Mall of America, here online together. And so if you would gather up all the stuff that you brought home from the Mall of America, you will have your cover and the backer with this little tag hinge. And if you didn't get to this point, don't worry, I'm going to back you up a little, and you will. You're going to need all the pages that we glimmer misted there in class together, which is 4 or 5 of them. And then I may have mentioned to you to grab the little blue box and put in all the little pieces that we glimmer misted. Now, if you will go to my blog or to Tattered Angel's website, you'll be able to download the instructions. In the instructions, you will find a PDF version of all of the instructions. It's a Word document format that has the photographs of each one of the pages so that you can very simply go through and add the embellishments that we created in class to your pages. And so I'm not going to take the time right now in this video to show you where each one of the pages go. But you should have all of your stuff together and be able to add it onto the pages. What I want to show you here in this video is how to create the book. Okay, now as I mentioned to you, in class we got to this point where we took the backer and the clear cover and we used this misted tag with the little crepe ruffle to build the foundation for the album. So what we're going to do right now is okay, we're just going to retrace our steps a little bit. In class, we glimmer misted this chipboard backer. So you're going to need to get this clear sheet out of the add-on pages, and then also the tag that we glimmer misted and the crepe ribbon that we added to it. This is going to create a hinge for the backer and the front cover. So what I'm going to show you now is that we're going to be adhering the tag on 1 inch to the back cover and about 2.5 inches to the front cover. So if you lay down onto your work surface your clear acetate piece and also your backer, lay them down and line them up side to side. Then adhere that tag onto about 1 inch of your backer like that, and the remaining onto the front piece. And you're going to want about 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch in between the two pieces. That's going to create our spine. So you can use the adhesive of your choice. I've added a little bit of zip dry on here already before I put it down. Then what you're going to want to do is make sure that you crease that tag at the top of the acetate and also at the top of the backer. And what that's going to do is give you a nice spine for the book. All right, so you can see the photos up close on the instruction sheet as well. Okay, now I'm going to get my pages that we glimmer misted in class, and I'm going to open up this backer portion, and I'm going to you can take any of your add-on pages and lay it onto your backer, and what you'll need is to just make a little mark where the pages line up. Then, using the large side of your crocodile, just go ahead and punch those holes where they need to be. Now there's a fastener in your kit, and I've got mine's a little bit different, but just go ahead and pop the fastener through the back of the book, just like that. And then all you have to do is add all of your pages right on top. Then I was taking another fastener to lay on top. I believe the fasteners that came in your kit did not come with the secondary piece, and so you can simply add the ribbon through the hole of one of the sides, and I tie a double bow, so one bow and then another bow, which will give that just a little bit more volume. Then you can go ahead and attach your fastener, and your book is now. As I said in class, this is a scrapbook, and so I do encourage you to go ahead and add photos of your family, your most recent trip, or these fall colors complement the fall foliage so much. So get out and take some new photos and slap them in this book. So I hope that you enjoy it. Grab your directions and complete your project.